Belleville to Muscoon about 9 to 9.5. How about urban Missouri at about 10 inches of snow? Another inch to maybe 3 or 4 inches, especially for areas east of St. Louis, where that heavier snow is going to continue into March. But again, we're going to see this wind down this afternoon. That's of the back edge of the snow. The back edge of the heavier snow coming through St. Louis, but that's the back edge of the snow. The problem is, it's a lot of cold air up there, and it is cold. Single digits right now in Omaha at 7. So while we're at 18, we know that temperature is going to fall tonight.